Hey guys, today in this video we will be making these delicious energy balls.
3G, 3G, 3G. Yeah. I do what I do. I do what I do. You do it through me. 3G.
All right, you guys, so here are the ingredients. As you can see, there's not that many ingredients here. It's very, very simple to make. So we have our organic ground flaxseed. We have our organic raw honey. We have our organic 100% whole grain rolled oats. We have our organic peanut butter. We have some walnuts, and then we have some chocolate chips. The chocolate chips that I got, I really wanted to get the dark chocolate, but I didn't see any available. So I got these Lily's Less Sugar Sweet Life. As you guys can see, it's semi-sweet style. All right, so let's go ahead and let's start making our energy balls. All right, guys, so the first thing that you wanna do is you wanna get a bowl, because you're gonna mix all your ingredients in the bowl, and you wanna get you a Pyrex. Or you can get whatever measuring cup you have. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add in our oats, and we're gonna add in 1 cup of oats. All right, here's our oats. We're gonna go ahead and add that in. All right, you guys, now we have our ground flaxseed, and we're gonna go ahead and add a 1/2 cup into the bowl. Go ahead and get your creamy peanut butter. Also, you guys, with the peanut butter, you want to make sure that it's room temperature. It's better that way. Next thing we're going to add is some honey. We're going to add 1/3 of honey. All right, next thing we're gonna do is add in some chocolate chips. So you guys, I wanted to get the dark chocolate, but I just tried these right now and it actually tastes like dark chocolate, so I guess it all worked out. So we're gonna go ahead and add in some of these chocolate chips. Oops. Okay. I think that's pretty good. So you guys, for the most part, everything, all of these ingredients that we're using here are healthy for you. The only thing that I would say would be, you know, the chocolate chips. You really don't need to add that. But if you want to add a little bit, you know, a little bit of sweetness, some more sweetness, although the honey is sweet. We're gonna go ahead and add in our walnuts. I'm really excited for these balls, y'all. What we wanna do is we wanna go ahead and mix up all of this wonderful goodness and create our delicious energy ball. Okay guys, so for the most part, everything is pretty much sticking together. So now we're gonna go ahead and start creating our energy balls. So just grab a little bit and you wanna shape them into a ball. Look at that, y'all. Looks so good. Look, babe, check out these balls.
Those look like some yummy balls.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
All right, you guys, there you have it. We got our energy balls looking so good. I really want to drizzle some honey on top of it. just to give it like a little glaze. But what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go ahead and put these in the refrigerator, let them refrigerate for about an hour. And there you have it.